Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast. So guys, if you are using any iOS device and having this type of problem after update iOS 17, so guys, I'll help you how to increase your battery health and how to increase your battery timing on your iPhone. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to do some settings on your iPhone. First of all, guys, you need to check for update. So guys, maybe there is problem on your iOS version. So guys, when you have update your iPhone to latest iOS version, then guys your problem will be fixed. And guys, after this you have to go back. Here is the option of background app refresh. So guys, when your apps are running in background, then guys your iPhone will be battery draining first. So guys, simply you have to turn off this, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, after this you have to check apps that you are using or not. So guys, if you are not using any app on your iPhone, then guys simply you have to delete that app. So guys, for example, I am going to delete this app from my iPhone. And guys, after this you have to open your settings again, check VPN connection. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, you have to disconnect that VPN on your iPhone. And after doing this you have to scroll it below. Guys, click on display and brightness. So guys, simply you need to use dark mode on your iPhone. By using dark mode, then guys your battery draining will be minor. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, you have to scroll it down. From here guys, you need to open apps. So guys, for example, I am going to open music. Simply you have to turn off mobile data on all the apps and TV as well. And guys, like this you have to turn off mobile data in all the apps. So this is the video. After doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.